Hey everyone, today I am in Fort Myers, Florida because tonight I'm going to be seeing a Fort Myers Mighty Muscles minor league baseball game, and I decided to get to Fort Myers a little early. This is in the southwestern corner of Florida. I decided to get into town a little early so that I could see some other sights before the baseball game tonight. That's why I'm starting here at JetBlue Park, which is actually the spring training home of the Boston Red Sox, where the Mighty Muscles will play tonight. That's the spring training home of the Minnesota Twins, so I'll show you that stadium. But I just wanted to stop by very quickly and see some of the sights, the statues, the retired numbers here at JetBlue Park, because I did grow up as a Red Sox fan. I would say that I have a 1A and 1B favorite team. As a baseball fan, I still hold on to the separation of the National League and the American League, so I often say that the Dodgers are my National League team and the Red Sox are my American League team. But I wanted to stop by here. I don't know what's going to be going on next spring training, if I'm going to get the chance to come down here again and see a game. So I'm checking out some of the sights here, and then we're going to go and see something that has nothing to do with baseball. And then we'll wrap things up with some baseball, of course, because baseball, theme parks, a couple other things, I don't have that many interests. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the day exploring Fort Myers, Florida. Behind me, you will see the retired number 26. That is for my favorite baseball player of all time, my childhood hero, Wade Boggs. He played most of his career, at least the prime of his career. He was a Red Sox, then he went on to the Yankees where he was still all-star caliber, and he won a World Series with them in 1996. He was on that team that was the beginning of that Yankees dynasty there for a while in the late 90s. Then he finished with his hometown Tampa Bay Devil Rays. That's where he played when he racked up his 3,000th hit. First player in baseball history to record his 3,000th hit as a home run. He did that with the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. And coming up this year, Wade Boggs is being inducted into the Irish American Baseball Hall of Fame as part of the Irish American Baseball Society. I volunteer with the Irish American Baseball Society. I'm very, very active in it. As a matter of fact, I would have nominated Boggs, except for a number of people already nominated him, and I used my nomination for the broadcaster Brian Kenny. Brian Kenny also was elected into the Irish American Baseball Hall of Fame this year. So that is really exciting that the organization for which I give so much of my time is honoring my childhood favorite player. I'm actually wearing an Irish Wolfhounds shirt. I've talked in the past about the Irish Wolfhounds and their goal to try to get Ireland represented in the World Baseball Classic and maybe even the Olympics, but that's a story for another time. Always happy to pay tribute to my childhood hero, Wade Boggs, the guy who got me interested in baseball, which is definitely something that has been so close to my heart my entire life. Very fittingly, Jackie Robinson is the only player in Major League Baseball history whose number has been retired by all 30 teams. Nobody anymore in Major League Baseball is allowed to wear the number 42 in honor of Jackie Robinson, except that every year each team has Jackie Robinson Day, where everybody playing in the game will wear the number 42 in his honor. Of course, Jackie Robinson broke the color barrier, such an important and great figure, not only in baseball history, but American history, and I love that they pay tribute to him in this way in every major league ballpark. And now I'm at 6 Mile Cypress Slough Preserve, and this is a wildlife preserve that actually is right in between the Red Sox and Twins spring training facilities here in Fort Myers. If somehow you got tickets for a day game to see one of them in spring training and a night game to see the other, you could very easily make a stop here and see some nature in between. Just a quick heads up, they do charge to park here, and right now I can't guarantee that the price won't go up in the future, but it is $1 per hour or $5 for the entire day. I'm not going to be here too long, so I think $1 is just going to be about enough for me, and we're just gonna walk around, see some nature, hopefully see some wildlife maybe even, and then pack it up and go see a baseball game. And that's where we're going to leave things off in this first vlog from Fort Myers. We'll pick things up again tomorrow from 6 Mile Cypress Slough Preserve. And after that, we'll move on to a Fort Myers Mighty Mussels game. And I might even hit 1 or 2 other locations in Fort Myers. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow on the Tall Guy Talks Travel with Rick Doherty YouTube channel.